especially under Coach Kung Fu, mahirap sila basahin. Kasi parang ano sila eh, parang spontaneous kung gumalaw. UST, what I really parang observe is kahit sinong bigyan mo ng bola, ang ano ko sa spikers sila, papaluin nila. They don't get intimidated with their blockers. And then aside from that, I think yung puso talaga ng team is with the setter and the libero. The libero, hands down, Pepito, one of the best libero of this era, as in terms of digging talaga, ayaw mo talaga siyang targetin kasi alam mong talagang ma-receive niya. Aside from that, I think I have to also commend their setter, Carvalho, because she delivers. She's also an offensive thinking setter. Boyos and Jurado, na pag tinaas mo kasi sa yung bola sa kanila, 50 to 60% papatay sila eh. They have this great spiking instinct